When you're getting ready to move, keeping your furniture and valuables safe is a top priority. That's where moving blankets come in. They're one of the simplest and most effective tools you can use to protect your belongings during a move. So why should you use moving blankets? First, they prevent scratches and dents. Whether you're moving wooden furniture, appliances, or mirrors, these padded blankets create a soft barrier that protects surfaces from bumps and scrapes. Second, they keep dust and dirt away. When your items are wrapped, they'll stay clean and fresh, even during long-distance moves or storage. Third, moving blankets help cushion fragile or oddly shaped items that don't fit in boxes. They absorb shock and vibration, keeping everything secure in transit. They're also great for protecting floors and walls while moving heavy items in or out of your home. You can even place them under furniture to slide pieces easily without scratching your floors. Another benefit is noise reduction. When you wrap items tightly, it prevents things from clanging or rattling around in the moving truck. And best of all, they're reusable and affordable. You can buy or rent them from most moving supply stores, making them a smart investment for any move. Using moving blankets may seem like a small step, but it can save you time, money, and stress by keeping your belongings in great shape from start to finish. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com or email us at contactus@movers.com. You can also call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.